Welcome back to Wheelhouse, your go-to spot for the latest on two-wheelers. Today, we're diving into one of India's most exciting scooters in the sporty segment, the 2025 TVS Ntorq. Known for blending performance, style, and tech, the Ntorq has received key updates this year. Let's break down what makes this new version stand out. Design and styling updates. The 2025 Ntorq keeps its aggressive DNA intact but with sharper detailing. The LED headlamp has a more angular shape now, paired with new LED DRLs that add to its street-smart appeal. The body panels have subtle design enhancements, and TVS has introduced bold new color schemes and graphics, particularly in the Race XP and Super Squad editions. Whether you're into stealthy matte finishes or eye-popping dual tones, the new palette delivers. Performance and engine. Under the skin, the 2025 Ntorq continues to pack the same tried and tested 124.8cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. But this year, it comes with refined tuning for smoother power delivery and slightly improved fuel efficiency. The Race XP variant still boasts the highest power in its class, producing 10.2 PS and offering two ride modes, Race and Street, which you can switch between on the go. Acceleration remains quick, and the engine has that signature throaty exhaust note riders love. Features and connectivity. Where the Ntorq truly leads the pack is in its smart features. The SmartX Connect system has been upgraded for 2025 with a slicker UI and even more app integration. You still get turn-by-turn navigation, call and SMS alerts, last parked location, and ride stats. The digital instrument cluster is now brighter and easier to read in sunlight. There's also voice assist in the XP variant, making it easier to control features without taking your hands off the bars. Ride and handling. TVS has slightly tweaked the suspension setup, offering better comfort over rough roads without compromising on handling. The Ntorq continues to be a fun scooter to corner, thanks to its 12-inch wheels and grippy tires. Whether you're slicing through traffic or hitting the open road, it feels planted and confident. Braking is sharp, especially with the front disc brake, and the combined braking system adds to overall safety. Variants and pricing. TVS offers the Ntorq in several variants: Standard, Race, Race XP, and Super Squad, each catering to different kinds of riders. Pricing for 2025 has seen a minor bump, but it's still competitive for the features offered. The base model starts around 88,000 rupees ex-showroom, while the top-end Race XP version is priced near 1.05 lakh rupees. Verdict. Why Ntorq still rules. The 2025 TVS Ntorq doesn't reinvent the wheel, it refines it. With updated tech, bold looks, and class-leading performance, it remains one of the best choices in the 125cc scooter segment. Whether you're a college student, office commuter, or weekend explorer, the Ntorq ticks all the boxes. Outro. Subscribe to Wheelhouse. That's it for today's breakdown of the 2025 TVS Ntorq. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wheelhouse for more two-wheeler reviews, comparisons, and updates. See you in the next ride.